Like, I know I'm a good person.
You gonna be
I'm so fucked up in my head. And I be crying out for helping these songs, but nobody hear me shit. I swear I be talking, but nobody wanna hear me. Mama, I'm so heartless cause the way these people did me. VAD apartments, we was thugging with that glizzy. I'm steady catching charges, wonder when they finna give me. It's a good paradise, but I've been here for a while. You know I cried cause it's so hard to smile. And I can't lie, I got that fire on me now. Say why my life been so hard since a child. Bitch, pass the black in my bitch, lay the pussy down. Why these niggas steady dissing when they know they out of town? Mama, why I never listen? I burn all these bridges down. Nigga, why I'm always tripping, trying to kill a nigga now? It's a thug paradise.